Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Today, the casino DELTIN CARAVELA approached the High Court challenging the order of National Green Tribunal in which NGT has directed to stop the functioning of casino and flotel until or unless CRZ clearance is not obtained. But the High Court refused to entertain that petition, taking the view that any order of NGT should be challenged only before the Supreme Court. The High Court also refused to grant relief as casino wanted that NGT order should be stayed for 2 weeks that they can approach the Supreme Court. But the High Court refused to grant any interim relief and intended to dismiss the petition. But before that, the petitioner casino withdrew that petition.
The writ petition had come before Honorable Justice Sonak and he was not ready to entertain and he was to dismiss the petition, but they withdraw it and it has been told to them to go to Supreme Court. Actually, the appeal lies before the Supreme Court as per section 22 of the NGT Act. Now still they are, I don't know, the Supreme Court will entertain them because they are going on with this. I am now moving an application under section 26 of the NGT Act which gives imprisonment for 3 years and 10 crores fine if they are not obeying the NGT orders. Now no one is obeying, so I will go against the GCZMA and these casinos before the NGT and ask for 3 years imprisonment on government officers and them and 10 crores fine.
When you are approaching GCZMA?
GCZMA, they were their party. Today also they are their party. Why should I approach? That is the order. They have argued against me. Today also they have given notice. Why they have not come? They are supporting the casinos. It has been Goa Casino Zone Management Authority, not Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.